So we know, right? In encryption, we have understood that it works on zeros and ones, and there are different type of encryption we have understood. We have understood about symmetric encryption, asymmetric encryption, and all, right? But then the thing is, encryption always comes with an overhead of processing. It slows down the system to at least a little bit, right? Maybe depends on situation, but yes, it has some overhead on the system. And that is what the industry want to move forward with, such a system wherein the performance is not the trade-off in that particular case. So they're upcoming with a new concept which is called as quantum computing, which is completely a new computing architecture. Now, what is this new computing architecture? That means this particular architecture is not focused on zeros and ones by itself. So, from the scratch itself, they are going to build up a system which is much more efficient than your normal system, and it does not work in zeros and ones. Okay, so what it use, if it is not using zeros and ones, then what it uses quantum bits, which we know as qubits. We call it as qubits. So that's a new concept which has come in. It can store an enormous amount of information, and users uses less energy doing so than a classical computer. Now we know, as and when normal encryption happens, or a normal hashing, or whatever crypto system happens, it takes a lot of processing power and also electricity as well, isn't it? So the new quantum computing is expected to consume less power, less processing power. Okay, and that is what, this is the way we are actually moving into. But this technology itself will take some time. It has not yet come completely, the test being done onto this technology. The way and the time this particular technology is coming in, then all this traditional zeros and ones and the kind of normal computing may change. Okay, so that's a new topic which has been added to CISSP, even though this was spoken up earlier also, but this time there is a specific focus.